Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ife Artistry. If this is your first time seeing my video, you are highly welcome. And if you're a returning subscriber, of course, thank you so much for always watching my videos. You're a lovely person and I love you so much. Okay guys, so in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I achieved or how I created or how I turned these particular lips into a gorgeous, gorgeous lips. Okay, guys. So my client came in and I was doing her makeup. She's actually my very good friend, and when I was getting to the lips part, I wanted to create a nude lips, and she told me specifically that she wanted a red lips. And like having looked at her, I don't know. For me, I was thinking that red is going to be like, it was going to be too much. Like it's going to be too much at least. She didn't equally want me to line the lips. Maybe don't line it, just red. And I'm telling her like, I think it's going to be too much. Just like red without lining is not going to look good on you. And she don't like something shouty. I don't know how she used to apply that made it fine or something. So I was telling her, okay, let me just line and then we'll create something. Basically, I don't know. For some reasons, I don't even know the reason why I was going for these lips to start with. And I was just going with the flow. So first of all, I lined with a this dark liner. I'm just lining with a lip stain. It's kind of a brown ox blood shade. I wanted to like just see what it was going to give at the end of the day, and I don't know. We're just going with the flow, honestly, basically, and so after lining, I begin to like blend it, and because like I know this person, she's my friend, I know that red she was requesting for was not going to go, she's not going to like it, and I was just trying to do what she wants. Even lining the lips, I think lining the lips is going to at least make it better. So I first lined and then I'm using my Milani lip stain. The Milani, that particular Milani shade, I don't know, I'm going to find the name and leave it in the description. This particular red. So I placed it there and I wanted to first of all like blend it into this like brown, the lining. I wanted to blend it into it and see what the outcome was going to be. So I know that after blending it in, then probably this is actually how I do my red lips. First of all, I'm going to blend it into the lining and then I will start to, like trying to create something like now. This is like at this point, all the lip stain I've used all this while, they are all good lip stains. They're not going to like, break. They're not going to crack for any reason. Even if I keep like adding, nothing is going to happen. Okay guys, so we are still walking and then the NEPA took light. Yeah. So when I came back and she told me that she no longer want, that was when she stood up and then she walked around and she's like, oh no, I don't want the lips no more. How? Like tell me how. Like you don't want red lips anymore. She wants nude. That was what I requested, like what I said. Let's start with nude. She said she doesn't want nude. And now she doesn't want red no more. So what was I going to do at this point? I'm like, okay, let me see what I can do. Okay, so I begin to add like, I even though I know that was not going to work because like I already have red lip stain on her. So I'm like, okay, you know what? Yeah, I'm going to still try and give her what she wants. Let me like try to convert this into something beautiful, into something nice. And I'm trying to convert. Like I begin to add the nude shade. I was not adding this nude shade for it to turn into nude automatically because it's not possible, I know, but at least I'm going to make it something colorful but not red. Okay, moving on, I begin to add this and I'm still adding the nude, another nude. I'm just trying to tone it up because I don't want it to be red. But of course, if you begin to add nude to red, it's going to turn to pink or like sorry, purple, all those kind of shades. So I know that was what it was going to turn into. And guys, along the line, she said she doesn't want pink. She don't want ox blood as well. She wants nude. Like she's my friend and I know it was what it's going to be actually. And I'm like, okay, you know what, let me just keep doing it, let me keep blending these lips. before the end of the lips, you might actually like the outcome. I'm going to gloss it and it's going to look beautiful and nice. She's like, okay, let's keep going. We kept going though, guys, and I keep blending. I was doing my best, honestly. I was trying so that we don't have to clean these lips at the end of the day. And after that, after adding the nude, I added my eyeshadow primer, the white base eyeshadow primer inside it, because I just, the reason why I added this, I'm just like, let me try and do something, let me try and spice it up and make it, you know, like knots, you know. I don't know, I'm just adding that for adding sake, basically. I don't know. And then she smacked again, and then, guys, of course, I'll have to do it to look like ombre lips. So I begin to go ahead and add the dark lining shade that I used initially. So when I add it again and I smudge it out, it's going to look even more beautiful. Yeah, so I begin to add that and I'm smudging it out, like I'm blending it to look beautiful, to look good. Yeah, so that is it basically. And at this point, of course, he's turning to an ombre lips. Sorry guys, he's turning to an ombre lips. He's becoming beautiful. He's nice. But you know one funny thing, even at this point, my client says she does not want the lips. She does not want the lips, even though it's beautiful. Like at this point, it's nice, it's cool, it's beautiful, but she doesn't want it. She wants nude. I think it's because I actually did mention nude. Like I'm telling her, I think nude shade is going to be better on you than like going for a colorful lips. Reasons are best known to me, and I gave her the reasons though, but she said she doesn't want. She wants her red. And then when we are doing the red, she looked at it in the mirror and she's like, she doesn't want the red no more. And now she doesn't want this color as well. Okay guys, so I added my gloss, take the pictures, of course. I'm like, okay, so I'm going to share with my family on YouTube. And I cleaned the lips and did a nude lips as she requested. Just look out for the video for when I drop it on my channel. You see how I have to clean these lips, even though the lips I couldn't clean it so properly because these 24 hours lip stains are too thick that it was kind of impossible for me to clean out very well. But I did clean out the ones I could clean out, and then, you know, continued and moved on to doing her nude lips. Okay guys, so this is it. I actually added the gloss, and after adding the gloss, she was looking at me like somebody that's angry that she doesn't want it. But this lips is actually beautiful, guys. I know you love it as much as I do. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, put on your post notification, because I'm going to be posting beautiful and nice content for you guys. Like, I actually do love these lips. I don't know what is wrong with my friend though. I don't know, but I love these lips. Please do not forget to subscribe. See you next time. Bye.